This is a 2011 Buick Regal. We'll be doing an oil change. First thing you want to do, like I always do, is remove the oil cap. Once you do that, you're going to remove the oil filter, which is located right here, using a 32mm socket or one of these special tools here, which is basically a 32mm socket. So we're going to go ahead and remove that first, and then we're going to lift her up and drain the oil. Once you lift up the vehicle or under it, the drain plug will be on the right passenger side using a 15mm socket. We're going to go ahead and remove that and drain it. Alright, well, now that we've drained the oil, we're going to go ahead and add our new filter. All you do is just pop it in, pop it out. Be sure to replace the O-ring right here as well. Tighten it down, and it will fill up with oil. Now that we've replaced the oil filter, drained the oil out, we're going to go ahead and just place the oil in. We're going to use 5 quarts of 1040. Once we do that, we're going to start it up for a second, cut it off, check the dipstick. Once it's in the hash, we'll be good to go. So that's all you got to do. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.